Hi everybody, my name is Mahmoud Sous. I'm here today to show you very interesting facts and very interesting things about healthy food, giving and helping others in that tough situation that we are living in. First of all, giving is very good and healthy to keep ourselves relaxed and happy and keep others relaxed and happy. We don't know what's going on, we scare, we are a lot of stress. So in this time we need to be together and we need to help each other as much as we can. That help should come from our heart directly to your neighbors, to your friends, to your people you know, so we can show them that we care and we are together and we will be together, and because we helping each other. Whatever we can do to help, if it's a nice word, if it's a nice food or anything else nice from your side to give to others to make difference in the beautiful and lovely community in Mississauga. We all love grilling. We all love putting stuff on fire. We all love that taste. But we know that this is not the healthy way of cooking. In order to keep the nice taste and the smell of that food and keep it healthy, we create something for you, a new technique that you can use in your grill to keep your food delicious and healthy. Our way is to keep the meat away from the fire and away from the effects of the smoke like the traditional way, and in the other side it gives you the right taste and the better health values of that food. Adding a lot of garlic and a lot of onion and rosemary and a lot of good herbs like oregano, it make that atmosphere, it make the taste of that meat amazing, and more important, more healthy than cooking directly with contact with the smoke and the fire. Giving is the right way to keep people happy and keep yourself happy. So please, whatever you can do, just help others and show them that you are care. God bless our community and bless us and bless all the world, and hopefully you stay home, you stay healthy, and see you soon. Thank you for watching.